Yeah, buddy. If you guys ain't noticed, I took off the damn stripes off my car. Got it to a cleaner look. So right now, pinstripes are all gone. And we are getting ready to meet up with the homie Tyler and homie Steven and all them at his house. About to go to a local car meet. Got invited to go to. And it should be fun. Little bro coming out with me. And yeah, so let's get ready for this day. YB&J! Alright. Now we're about to go see Tyler. YB&J. The homie Chris. Scat Pack right there, looking super mean, super luxurious, you know what I'm saying? Muscle car, welcome to the muscle side, you know what I'm saying? Let me show him what this means right here. Move your dumb ass out the way, man.
Vlog God.
Hey, this guy right here. The next 50 Cent on the block. Album dropping real soon next year. Oh shit. Okay.
I can't be a rapper because I can't say, you know.
But you know.
Neighbor. I can't say that.
Yeah, so what you doing?
I was supposed to get these wrapped in vinyl.
Make sure you guys go follow him right now.
So I took all this shit out because these were supposed to get wrapped in vinyl.
Right.
That didn't happen.
Right.
So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to go to Carmeca just with these bare.
But when is that?
Sunday.
This Sunday?
Mm-hmm.
Culture's not clean culture.
I'm not going to Clean Culture out here.
I mean,
Wake Fest?
Yes.
Not going out here. LA, here I come. Anyways.
Yeah, so I took all this shit out supposed to get them wrapped. That didn't happen. So we're going to a meet tonight, and I want some bump on the way there because I just got my headlights back. I can finally drive my damn car.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to see that.
Go check out JL Fitted Labs on Instagram. You'll see those in a minute.
Ooh.
So I just gotta figure out what goes where.
Okay, Tyler back in the scene. Okay. We got Steven over here fucking up shit. As always.
what's up, man?
So with y'all, man. How you doing, bro? Good.
Good. What about you?
So with you, bro?
Good, bro.
I see you again.
What's up, man?
That shit look kind of dope without the bumper.
I know he should dinner drive it.
That's what we say,
Mr.
Yeah, drive without the bumper for tonight.
Come on, you wild.
Why?
You can see every single fucking cord.
That's dope. That's dope.
I've been rocking that look for like 3 weeks.
It didn't move though when you was doing it though.
You're right, it wasn't, yeah. She was parked.
Fuck no, In-N-Out is nasty. If you eat In-N-Out, you have a taste bud of an alien. It's no, hell
Tell
no.
me why we all rolled up there that day, though. After it was.
My God, how many times have you been to In-N-Out?
It was like 5 of us, and we all went out there to eat.
I was not smacking shit.
damn near.
Fuck no. Fuck no. Always had leftovers to throw away.
Was that all this shit?
Hell no.
Hey, Habit's better than In-N-Out.
I like
Yeah, Habit's fire. The Habit in Houston was the first one I ever tried before they built some out here. Their shit is. I think it's something about the South, bro. Their cooking is just.
Because they're fucking Southerners.
Southerners. I ain't never heard of that.
He said Southerners.
Oh, I thought you said Southerners. I was like, what the fuck?
He is a Southerner.
Yeah.
Have you not seen
No,
Confederate flag?
Oh yeah, I did see that.
Do you actually have one? What?
No, I'm just fucking. I'm fucking. The homie Chris right there, man. You see? Woo. The Scat Peasy. Woo.
Playing on that supercharger?
You know what I'm saying? That super charge. That's that beast right there. finally made it to the car meet, you know what I'm saying?
Snapchat is ready.
Huh?
Snapchat ready for me
Eee.
to record.
His shit clean. Matter of fact, let me show you this. Look at his car though. Ooh, look at that motherfucker. That's a beast right there, you know what I'm saying? Damn. That shit's nice. That's badass. I like that.
You know they made wagons. That shit is the hardest one.
Oh, that's why. Okay, I see why you move over here. Yeah, I see why. That shit's sick right there. That motherfucker clean up. Got his shit right there. Okay, we got the nice Honda right here, you know what I'm saying? Honda Squad. Whole time, ain't this a bitch? Let me see. Let's see what cars we got in this motherfucker. Got some nice ass whips right here. Damn. Let's see what else they got here. They got some, that shit's so clean, I'm not gonna lie. That shit look like a motherfucking beast. Oh shit. Here coming up. Right here. Now that's the real motherfucking beast right there, y'all. That motherfucker is so badass. Woo! That motherfucker beating shit. Hey, what's up with it, homie? What's up, bro? How you doing? Good? It's good seeing you, bro. How you doing? Hey, hey. Okay. Good turnout. Good turnout. We got cars in the street. Check out the pipes, though. Look at that. That shit nice. Oh, it's a cop? Security? What the fuck is that? Oh, that's a Mustang with a... I thought it was a cop for a quick minute. Damn. Let's see.
Hey, that fucking car, that's a car Kyler.
Hey! Hey! Watch out.
Look at the dog.
Hey, car vlog. Hey, what's up, little homie? What's up? Hey, what you doing? What you up to? Hey, swag. Yeah, I see you over here. I know, she be fucking trying to attack everybody.
Yeah.
She be. The fuck was that? Somebody brakes? Jesus?
Nah,
Oh,
he ain't coming. Get gas.
Okay, we got that. Okay. Fucking lit. This is like the strip right here. Man, I should have parked my car over here. Shit. Cause he parked his shit over here. I should have parked my shit right here. You want to do me a favor? Can you do a favor and like block that part as soon as they shut their door?
Alright, over there.
Yeah. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. No, as long as they got them goddamn doors open. Yeah. Okay, that's nice.
Okay.
Hey, follow the homie. What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
It's your boy,
Hey,
86_.
Oh yeah, it's popping up right now. It's on the video.
Right here?
Follow him right there.
Gang.
Right there, gang swag. Hey, make sure you guys go follow the homie Hood right now.
Jeremiah, if you remember, he got his car wrapped. This shit is fucking sexy and perfect.
This motherfucker is clean. Yes, sir. That motherfucker nice. Damn.
I haven't washed it like a month. Damn, that's
Are you serious?
Like a week or two.
That looks good, man.
Pretty well, I think.
It looks super sick.
I can't see no there. It look like you just washed it.
That shit looks good, man. Damn. Hey, look at that Audi. I see him everywhere. Okay.
This Audi.
Huh?
Bro, I did not know you had a car on this.
Nice Audi. He lives all the way in South Bay. No, South Bay. San Jose and Fremont.
know
Yeah, bring that up.
I'm like super.
I know he's about to smash on.
Okay, here we go.
He might actually.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
the car I seen in Brentwood. This is
Oh my god! Oh my god!
This shit is so clean, man.
I'm gonna get in here with you.
He's about to do it again?
Yeah. All right.
Let's do this. I need to put my goddamn seatbelt. I'll fuck around. God damn, man.
Not spitting flames.
No, because there's dumping out right here.
Oh, really? It's got a little bit of smoke coming out, you know? Hey, push it back now.
He has no reverse. No reverse. So we get the homies pushing. God damn. That's insane.
That's gotta be certified, right?
We finally got the cop in the motherfucking building.
I want you to get those racing seats, right?
I'm not gonna get them
Why?
because I'm waiting for the new car.
You're right.
The new car is gonna get it. So let's see what this. Watch out. Woo. Look at that Hemi. That shit looking good. Little that he knows, there's a fucking cop right there. It's crazy. Man, it's lit.